Hello and welcome. Do your business teams work in HubSpot and your technical teams work in Jira? When these two powerful systems don't talk, your teams work in silos, leading to lost context and slower response times for your customers. In this video, I will walk you through how the HubSpot CRM integration for Jira by Appsvio completely bridges that gap. I will show you how to set it up, display CRM data in Jira, use our powerful custom fields, and provide visibility back into HubSpot. Let's start with the one-time setup that a Jira administrator will perform. First, after installing the app from the Atlassian Marketplace, navigate to your Jira settings and go to Apps. Find HubSpot CRM Integration in the sidebar. Here you need to click the Connect button and follow the simple, secure authorization process. Here I need to select my HubSpot account, click Choose Account. In just a few clicks, your Jira instance is connected to HubSpot. Once you are connected, you can easily verify if it's the correct HubSpot instance by checking the displayed HubSpot account ID. Next, we'll define exactly what CRM data your teams will see. In the Properties to Show tab, you can customize the information for each HubSpot object. We support all basic HubSpot objects like contact, company, and deals. We also fully support HubSpot custom objects for enterprise plans, allowing you to display truly unique data. For the contact object, for example, you can present industry or job title or phone number. For company objects, for example, you can choose to display properties like number of associated deals or some basic company information like industry or city. For deals, you might want to see the deal type, deal owner, or amount of your deal. Information from HubSpot is displayed on Jira work items in a panel called HubSpot CRM Integration. You might not need this panel in every single Jira project. So, in the Projects tab, you can control exactly where the HubSpot panel is active. By default, it's available for all projects, but you can easily restrict it to only service desk projects. Alternatively, you can select specific projects from a list where you want the panel to be visible. This gives you centralized control over the integration's visibility. Now that we are configured, let's see the result from the perspective of a support agent. Here is a ticket in Jira Service Management project. Because the reporter's email exists as a contact in HubSpot, our panel automatically appears on the right. Instantly, the agent sees the crucial context we configured: the customer's info, their company details, and any active deals without ever leaving Jira. The reporter field is the default way to find data, but you have more options. So let's go to Project Settings, and under Apps and HubSpot CRM Integration, you can define additional field context. By default, it's Reporter field, but you can change it. This allows the panel to display data based on other issue fields, like text fields, where you store a customer's emails, or a user picker field. The panel is great for viewing data, but what if you want to link issues to HubSpot records, search by them, or use them on customer forms? That's where our powerful custom fields come in. First, a Jira admin creates a new custom field of type HubSpot object. So let's go to Custom Fields, click Create Custom Field, select Advanced, and find our HubSpot object picker. You can select between single and multi-picker. So let's say I would like to use single, so click Next. Remember to add field to proper screens. Now let's find our custom field. Pick context and default value and edit custom field configuration. As you can see, by default, you can search for companies, but you can change it to contacts or deals. Here, you can also select what properties do you want to display on Jira work item. Let's select that I want to present industry, maybe website URL, and also some deal information like first deal created date or number of associated deals. Click Save. Now, when a user creates an issue in a project using that field, they can search and link for a HubSpot record directly. I'm clicking Create, select Project, and here you can see our field HubSpot Company. And here I can search for companies. I select Appsvio, and this ticket will be linked to Appsvio object in HubSpot. Using our custom fields, you can also empower your customers. In project settings, in your service project, go to Request Management, Request Types, select request type from the list, for example, submit a request or incident, and simply add the HubSpot company custom field to the form. Remember to click Save Changes. Now let's go to this request form on the portal. As you can see, now when a customer visits your portal, they can use this new field to associate their request with their company, ensuring their ticket is instantly contextualized. So let's create this example ticket. I'm searching for Appsvio, and I'm clicking Send to create a request. As you can see, the ticket is created, and we have got also our company Appsvio. Let's go to the ticket, to the agent view. As you can see, this is our custom field with short link to HubSpot. And also we have got our panel. We can select HubSpot company, and here all information about this company is displayed. Finally, this data is fully searchable in Jira. You can use jQuery to find all issues linked to a specific company, deal, or contact. For example, using this jQuery, you can find all issues in which reporter has got email connected with appsvio.com. Here we have got another example in which we are searching for our HubSpot company custom field. You can, of course, add this field as a column in Work Item Navigator. The integration provides value in both directions. So let's switch over to HubSpot. I'm clicking on our Appsvio HubSpot object. Here we are on the Appsvio company record in HubSpot. On the right sidebar, our integration adds a Jira Work Items card. This card displays a live feed of all the tickets we've linked to this company, showing their key, summary, status, and priority. Your sales and service teams can now track development progress without ever leaving their CRM. And there you have it. From global configuration and data panels to powerful custom fields and bidirectional visibility, the HubSpot CRM integration for Jira connects your teams around a single source of truth, your customer. Start your free 30-day trial from the Atlassian Marketplace or book a personalized demo with our team today. Links are in the video description.